G'day guys, Greg here. Now, the other night for dinner, we had some roast chicken and, well, I've got a little bit left over, so I thought for breakfast this morning, I'd make one of my favourite delicious leftover roast chicken omelettes. These things are super tasty and really easy to make. Let me show you the other ingredients I'm using today. Well, for this, all I'm using is, I've got my leftover roast chicken here, which I've just broken up. I've diced up about half a tomato. I've got some green stuff to add some colour. This is spinach. I've got a bit of Parmesan cheese here, some cheddar cheese. I have got some parsley, paprika, salt and pepper. Of course, you're going to need some eggs. And what would any food be without some butter? Yeah, I love this stuff. Alright, well for starters, get yourself a bowl and we'll crack our eggs into this. Hopefully I won't get any shells in. Yes! Only got like 6 shells. Yeah, that's alright. I'll just use the shell to get out the shell trick. Always works. Well, it always works half the time at least. We'll give that a good mix. Now, if you've got some milk, it's probably great to add a little bit just to thin it out. Unfortunately, I don't have any milk, but what I do have is a bit of Parmesan cheese. So let's just sprinkle some of that in there. A good mix. All right, over to the stove, where I have preheated a wok I'm using again today. I find these really good to use for an omelette. Now as I heat it up, yeah, it has. So, well, for starters, I know this is Teflon, but sometimes you just need to add a little bit more lubrication. And, well, because I don't have milk today, oh, gee, that's hot. I thought I'd lubricate with some beautiful butter. Get those eggs and Parmesan in there. And we're just going to fry these eggs till, well, they're sort of half cooked at least. Hopefully fully cooked. But they don't have to be fully cooked. You might be like me who likes half cooked foods. But this is just an easy way to get the eggs less gooey and runny. I do prefer my eggs fully cooked. Now over one half of it, put some cheddar cheese, and I'm going to put a little bit more Parmesan just because I've got some left over. Now I'll add in the tomato. I always like to salt my tomato. Add some pepper too if you want. I've also got some paprika. Paprika always goes good with chicken. And I've got some parsley. Parsley goes good with chicken. Speaking of chicken, let's add the chicken on. Oh, yum. And of course, look, you just got to add some more green stuff just to, you know, in case there's a vegan eating this. They won't be able to complain. Or if your doctor comes to visit and, well, he has a go at you for not eating enough greens. But now all I have to do is flip that over, turn it off because it's burning, and there you have it. A delicious roast chicken omelette made in no time at all. So let's slide it onto my plate. Oh mate, how good does that look? Ho ho ho! Well, I can't wait to tuck on in. Oh, yum. Oh, that smells good. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. That tastes amazing. That roast chicken really makes the eggs taste so good. and mixed in with all those other ingredients, mate, they just complement each other. And the whole thing just tastes awesome. Well, I hope this video helps you make someone's breakfast extra special. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook an omelette. See you then. Oh, yes. Yum.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.